Hi there, if you are new, my name is Eileen and welcome to the Hearts. For today's DIY, I'm gonna share with you two Dollar Tree fall wall decor projects. Yeah, so let's get started. Here I have this track that I've got from Dollar Tree and I have this acrylic paint. It's very bright, so I added some black acrylic paint and I painted the pumpkin. Give it two coats and I let it dry in between coats. This is also the part 2 of my DIY fall project, and if you didn't see my part 1 yet, I will put it on your right if you are facing the computer or the phone. And here I have this Delta faded teal that I've got from Ross. I painted the truck, give it two coats, and for the wheel I used my black acrylic paint in country. The small paintbrush to paint the sides of the truck and the edge so that it will give you a finished look, and it looks like this after painting it. And for our welcome sign, I have this welcome to our patch. We're gonna need the wood. I tried this patch. I put a lot of pressure on the wood so it breaks.
Oh no, I broke it.
But I'm so glad I still have this wood. So here I was very careful. I put a lot of pressure on the stick, not to the wood that we're gonna use. And I used this tool to help me remove all the stick, and I sand it down to smooth it out. You can also use the front, and I think it's more cleaner. And here I'm using the same orange acrylic paint that I used earlier. I mix black acrylic paint and until I'm happy with how it look. And I painted the wood with the mixture. I give it two coats. And after this, I grab my welcome sign. If you like, you can if you'd like, you can just don't paint it. It works. And for me, I use my chalk Rust-Oleum chalk paint, white chalk paint, and I just painted it. And I use this super gel. I don't recommend using hot glue because it's so messy and it doesn't work great. So I use this super gel that I've got from Dollar Tree. I really love using this on my projects. And I just put pressure on it and it works really good. And to attach the wood and the truck, I have this picture kit. The wood is so thin, so I just hot glue it at the back. And I made sure that they are lined up together. And I was not sure if the hot glue will gonna work, but so I added some super gel along the way and it works really well. For the second DIY, I have this red truck that I've got from Dollar Tree. I used the back. I painted it using the Holy Branch acrylic paint. I mixed it with black acrylic paint to get the color that I like for this truck, and I just painted it, give it two coats. And again, thanks to all of my amazing subscribers. Because of you, I'm almost on my 5,000 subscribers. Thanks for subscribing and supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. And if you were not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Please help me reach the 5,000 subscribers today. Yeah, I really appreciate it. And here I painted the truck and saw my hand. I put some details on the truck. I used the pencil, so don't be scared to draw on the truck. If you did some mistakes, just erase it. Yeah, and I also painted this with the acrylic paint. Painted the wheel of the truck using my black acrylic paint, and I let it dry. And once it is dry, I have this burlap. This is from Dollar Tree. I think it was 5 yards and it's only $1. Yeah, and I just cut it into size and hot glue it on the truck. I also filled the burlap with this Spanish moss that I've got from Dollar Tree. I just put it inside. I did not hot glue it. And we have these stems. Most of it are from Dollar Tree except the wheat. I got it from Joann's. It was 50% off, and I just laid out on the burlap before hot gluing the stems and the pumpkin. The bow, I will be using these ribbons. I got it from Joann's. It was 80% off. I got it last year, and I just made the bow. Don't be scared to make a bow. It's very easy. Just stack all the flap and then tie it and just arrange it, and trust me, it will gonna be it will look like a bow. And here I'm just cutting the tail, and it looks like the scissors that I'm using are not working. They decided not to be a scissors. We have this beautiful bow. I just hot glue it on the truck and I flipped the truck. I added some twine so that we can hang the truck. And I also added some details using my white chalk paint. And then after putting some details, we have this beautiful harvest truck. Yeah, so let me know on the comment below what do you think of this project. And again, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, give me a big thumbs up and again, please subscribe to support my channel. I really appreciate it. Yeah, so see you guys on my next DIY. Bye bye. God bless and I love you all.